Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to Sarah's Lifestyle. Guys, today I am welcoming you guys to another day of a new content, and today I am going to be in the kitchen and I'll be fixing some fried parrot fish. I never really had parrot fish, but someone told me it's very tasty, and I decided to go to the fish market. I got it and they cleaned it. So what I'm gonna do is wash it down really good in some lemon and vinegar, and then season it and just fry it and just let you guys see what I'm gonna do. So please continue watching the video. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, this is what the parrot fish look like. Parrot fish. I got it fresh from the fish market. I had them clean it. They cleaned inside. So what I'm going to do now is just wash it with some lemon and vinegar, and then just season it and fry it. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is wash it really good with some lemon and vinegar, and you got to make sure you wash it really good because it has a very strong raw smell. So right now what I'm going to do is squeeze some lemon and wash it down really good. That lemon. Lemon. You gotta wash it really good because the smell is so strong. And I'm gonna also wash it down with some vinegar. I also got lime. I'm gonna wash it with the lime. The smell is so strong. It's the first time I'm having this type of fish. I had many different type of fish, but this is my first time eating this fish. So I can't wait to see what it tastes like. So what I'm gonna do is wash it down. And pour the lemon wash inside. Okay guys, so now I am gonna wash it with some vinegar. Make sure it goes on both sides. Okay guys, so now I am going to season my fish, my parrot fish. First thing I'm going to do is slit it on the side, like this, on both sides. And this is why I'm doing this, because when I season it, I want the season to absorb inside the fish. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little sea salt to flavor. Try not to use much salt. Too much salt is no good, so I try to cook with little salt, and I use the sea salt. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some curry powder. I try to put it inside the fish so that the flavor of the seasoning can be absorbed inside the fish. and I do it on both sides. Okay, so now what I'll put is some garlic powder. Some garlic powder. The head is included too, guys, because we eat the egg, the head. We eat the head. So now I'm gonna add some paprika. Inside the fish also, you gotta pour the seasoning. All inside, all the cavities, make sure you put the seasoning. Because this is what's gonna give your fish flavor. If you just put the seasoning on top, the inside is not gonna taste like anything. So that's the reason we slit it on the side, and we make sure we put the seasoning also inside the fish. So what I'm gonna do is massage all of that ingredient into the fish, and meantime my skillet is heating up. I'm gonna let this sit for a little while, let it marinate. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so now that my skillet is all heated up and it's hot, I am gonna add my fish, my parrot fish. And I know you guys didn't see it, but off camera I added some black pepper to my fish, and that's just to add, make it a little spicy. Not too much black pepper, but just enough to make it a little spicy. The hotter you want it, is the more black pepper you can add to it. So guys, this is my parrot fish frying in my hot skillet. So once one side is fried, then I'm going to flip it over, and the other side let it fry. Okay guys, so now I'm going to flip it over. See, one side is fried, and I'll flip it over so that the other side can be fried. Okay guys, so this is what the parrot fish looked like after I fried it. I also made some patacones or tostones alongside with it, and I have a little salad. So what I'm going to do, since it's my first time having this fish, I never really tasted before, I'm going to taste it and let you guys see how I feel about it. If I like the taste, or if I did not like it, we'll see. Just come along. Okay guys, so now I'm going to taste the parrot fish and let you guys know if I like it and what I think about it. So here we go. Parrot fish, first time I'm eating it. I'm going to taste it. Guys, the fish doesn't taste bad. It tastes good. The only thing I don't like that it have like a hard, the meat is hard. It's not as soft like when you eat snapper or bluefish or any type of fish. The good thing about it that it doesn't have much bone, and that's good. So, but once you season it and you eat it, the taste is good. Just that the meat is not as soft as other fishes, but it's tasty. I'll give it a 9.5 because of that. But otherwise than that, it's okay. And I love the fact that it doesn't have much bone. So this is fried parrot fish. And first time I'm having it, and it's okay. But I'll eat it again. No problem. It's okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.